In this process, initially HR sends a mail along with the Excel sheet with all the required fields to the respective account to trigger the process in Unattended setup. Here we are executing the process to create the user ID in SAP automatically. Now the robot automatically open SAP application and get into the T-code accordingly. From the Excel sheet, robot get the data and enters into the SAP fields wherever required to create the user ID. Here robot will enters the name, department, phone number and mail ID which is derived from the Excel sheet as an input. Now, the robot will create a user ID with the password along with the password validation for the user. After entering the mandatory required fields in the SAP to get the values and send the data to the user, now the roles will be updating in the application. After completing all the basic and required details, robot will create the communication user ID in SAP and sends a mail to the HR who initiated the process with all the updates of the particular user creation. Thanks for watching.